In this video, I want to talk about how you can zoom in and out on TradingView. So if you open up any chart, what you can do is there's a few different methods to do this, but the first one will be just using the zoom tool right here. So in here, you can select any place that you want to zoom in and you can double click there and it will do it. Now the easiest method is to use your wheel on the mouse. So if you just use it normally like this, it will always zoom in at the side. As you can see, it's gonna go to the side. But if you hold down Control while you do this, so if I have my mouse here and I hold down Control and I zoom, it's only gonna do it at this point. So if I do it here, it's gonna do it here instead. So I prefer to use the Control button. Another thing you can do is you can use these right here and you can make these bigger and smaller, which can also zoom in and out on the dates, as you can see like this. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.